Hi friends, welcome to my channel Rich Life, Rich Way. I'm back again with another interesting video. Today I thought of visiting nearby nursery, so as you can see I'm moving my steps towards it and I'm very much excited to show you all the beautiful plant varieties with their names. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel and do press the bell icon for further notifications. So without any further ado, let's check out the nursery. Okay, so this is the entrance of my nearby nursery. It's famous as Jaswant Nursery and it has a plant home store where we can get all the nursery plant requirements like fertilizers, pots, decorative materials, moss sticks, etc. So let's start with the introduction of plants and know their name. Friends, this is white stock plant. It's a rare variety and is of double price than other colors of stock plant. Along with this, you can see ornamental cabbage leaf plant in two colors, and close to it you can see chlorophytum, commonly known as spider plant. Then comes beautiful calendulas with loads of blooms, and here comes our first bonsai of people tree, and at its side you can see a bushy lady palm in a large pot. It's my favorite one. I have two in my garden. Also some big pots with large areca palm for decorating your outdoors or office entrances. So let's move further. Opposite to these plants, here is a stock of potting soil and manures, which are basics of gardening. Next we can see another strong and sturdy people bonsai, and on its side my favorite Nolina palm, or you can say elephant foot palm. It has beauty of its own with a big codex. Next you can see Schefflera, and on its sides we can see jade. Another strong topiary of ficus plant. See how beautifully it has been layered. Let's move a bit forward and have a look on another ficus topiary. So different. Friends, these topiaries are not easy to make. It takes a lot of time and patience, or you can say years. That is why these are so pricey. Further you can see salvias blooming, and next comes mesmerizing marigolds. Oh my, see friends, another astonishing topiary. Just see how integrated work has been done to make this ficus plant. It's a charmer, full marks, 100 on 100. Next, they have a range of roses kept here but without blooms. They are being prepared for season's second blooms. Here next you can see fern in hanging basket. Next comes plumeria. It's not in a good condition but soon it will catch the sight as the spring season is approaching. And this is lemon cypress plant. This one seems like guava fruit plant, a bonsai one. Another bonsai. Wow, just have a look at this beautiful view of topiaries. I'm loving it. Flattened. Oh, this cute little pup. So here starts winter flower range. In starting you can see dianthus in many colors. On its back, ornamental cabbage again. Big white flower of dahlia and ranunculus with some pansies in various colors. Dog flowers on its back. Some geraniums kept in front with sansevieria and dahlia. Next we can see a line of stock plant with different colors. On their back you can see primrose, and after that again white stock plant, the costly one. Here are beautiful dahlias. This is araucaria, or commonly known as Christmas tree. On its back you can see some cactus varieties. Oh, they are lovely. This is English ivy. It's a variety of succulent. Next comes a row of kalanchoe in different colors with lots of birds behind them. You can see carnation also. Now this Mahatma Dracaena catch my eyes. Let's see, I'll shop it. So from here we start with some indoor varieties of plants. So have a look. First comes bird's nest, sansevierias. On their back you can see Chinese evergreen. Oh wow, next comes my favorite syngoniums, commonly known as arrowhead plant, friends, in different shapes and sizes. Again catching my eyes. So next row can be seen of red Dracaena, commonly known as Mahatma Dracaena. Along with them few pots of green Dracaenas also. Here comes one of the variety of Aglaonema. Next we can see lady palms in the back with the same Aglaonemas in front. Oh wow, there's a row of hanging pots, pothos hanging on them. See friends, these are the pothos I've shown you earlier in my videos also, the Enjoy pothos and Neon pothos. These are the variety of palm. These are dwarf palms. Again the Dracaenas. Another row of dwarf palms, syngoniums in red colors. Wow, it's also a variety of Aglaonema. Again the big Areca palms. Wow, beautiful Areca palm, so healthy in a big pot. Next to it, again the Mahatma Dracaenas, the larger ones with a beautiful lady palm in front of them. And in back of Areca palm we can see the Araucarias kept in a full range. Yes, these are also known as Christmas tree, friends. Tricolor Maranta with beautiful variegated leaves in 3 color. I owe it. Next comes Aglaonema Snow White, and above all you can see a row of hanging pothos. Here comes lady palm in a big stalk. Next comes poinsettia with full of red crown. See friends, this is another variety of sansevieria. Here next you can see fiddle leaf fig in large pots and small pots too, with different price ranges. Opposite to them, here is a row of dwarf bird nest fern, and again dwarf arrowheads also. Beautiful palms, impatiens. Next comes Euphorbia milli. Next again comes some topiaries in making with a row of all kind of roses, aloe veras. And next, look at this beauty. It's called Furcaria or Mauritius Hain. So stunning. Nolina again. Friends, see, this is rubber plant. Hey, see friends, here come some herbs. This one is holy basil. This one is ajwain leaf, whose leaves scent as ajwain. It's not exactly the ajwain plant, but its leaves are used as curing the stomachache. Soon you will be seeing this plant in my upcoming video. Yay. These are some Song of Indias. It's a variety of Dracaena. Now comes crotons. These are best to add colors in your indoor garden cause they love bright indirect light. So next, something different I have found in is these begonias, and I'm loving their view. Pansies again. And here comes variegated ribbon grass. Oh, it looks so different. This also looks beautiful if used in hedges in your lawn or garden. On its sides, here comes my favorite foxtail fern. Next, you can see these banana plant with these mini jade plants in a stalk. Next, you can see these thujas and junipers kept together. They are looking so stunning. So friends, I have shown you a major part of this nursery. Still, there is a lot more to show you, but I'm tired friends, so excuse me cause I have to choose my purchases also. If you like my video, do tell me in the comment box below. Until we meet again, happy gardening!